How to fix Webtoon app not working. Hello guys. So first thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps like that, scroll until you find this Webtoon app. Click here on storage, click on clear cache and clear data. After that, what you want to do next is go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Webtoon and update it in your Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. So that's it. Now restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.